How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet. And this week, it goes by the name of the Platinum Honeysuckle. Now, I've had people out there that's contacted me looking for a mother-in-law suite, a guest quarters, or somewhere to put their parents on their property, or I could be a couple that has retired that is looking at this home to be their forever home. Well, this honeysuckle is the home to do so. And it starts off, what makes it so unique is that it is ADA accessible. So you get wider doors, wider hallways to make it very convenient for anyone to get through this home front to back. And guys, it's a nice open living area right here. In the living room, you'll see we got a nice door with the blinds in the glass. You can roll those up and down at your convenience. Plenty of natural light coming in. We've got clear story windows on each side of the room up above. We've got a nice southern yellow pine accent that you can mount a flat screen TV right there. Gives it plenty of room, plenty of character. And we've also went ahead and done southern yellow pine trim throughout the entire home. You guys look right here. What makes it nice also is that you have enough room for a nice eating area, nice dining room table, but you also have the hutch right here also. So it gives you extra countertop space. We did the hickory cabinets up above and throughout the home. So you got plenty of storage space, and you have a nice galley style kitchen right here as well. Again, staying with an abundance of cabinets, got the nice stainless steel sink, window up above, got the nice smooth top oven, and you got the nice microwave as well. Went with black, keeping it with that cabin style, that rustic feel. But guys, we'll start right here and seeing that you get the wider hallways, guys. I'm not the smallest guy, even though my name's Mr. Tiny, but I can fit through here very beautifully. So you look right here as well, going into the master bath, and you see we got the nice pocket door that's extended. You got 36-inch doorways. You guys follow me right through here. We slide on through. Hey, and you weren't expecting this. Look at this shower. Hey, after a nice long workout, you don't get no better than this. Just let the water hit you. Hey, have a steam shower in here. This thing feels like a sauna, a spa retreat right here in your tiny home, guys. Doesn't get any better than this. And we've got the nice cutout right here for you. If you want to, you can slide right in, take care of all your business here in the morning, and come on out right here and go back into the master. We've got the space right here for your stackable washer and dryer. Again, staying with the wider doorways into your master. And you have one of the largest masters that we offer in a tiny home. You'll see right here, plenty of room. This room is large enough to fit a queen size bed, or if you want to take it up to the king, because you feeling like the king in here, you can do that as well. Got the nice plug-ins for your TVs, got the nice hickory accent on the electrical panel. You'll see what my favorite feature is we did the barn door on the entry into your master as well. Nice stain to match the rest of the trim. And for your closet, we did the nice bifold doors also. So you can put all your clothes and everything in there. And guys, let this slide on back, and we'll go back through the home and see why this home might be the best option and is the best option for those looking for, again, like I said, the mother-in-law suite, the guest quarters, or someone looking to downsize after retirement into their forever home. The honeysuckle is that home to make that happen for you guys. And I just want to come to you and say thank you again for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to come into RRC Rockwall, ask for me, ask for that deal that you can't refuse, and ask me for that honeysuckle. And guys, we'll see you next week. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos, and you have a nice day.